Hey folks, I just really excited to see this chart and felt like I wanted to share it. So here it is. We are looking at a 4-hour time frame of GDXJ. It's an ETF. It is my proxy for the mining stock sector. So when I'm looking for a quick read on what is the mining stock sector up to, I, I grab a chart of GDXJ. And so 4-hour time frame, so we're looking intraday. Um, it's really this it's this price bar right here that gets me excited because that is a very bullish price bar Rel- relative to this recent trading action. I would describe this as a wide ranging bar. It has covered a large distance relative to its recent neighbors. So if you look at the size of the bodies on these other price bars for the last couple, that's couple of days, um, they're not that impressive. And then that's a very bullish price bar. And again, today we got another very bullish price bar in this 4-hour time frame. And notice on this first of these wide-ranging price bars, this is price pushing up through uh, multiple layers of resistance. And so we have two different Andrews pitchforks. So we've got the blue fork with the dashed lines, and then this pink smaller fork with the pink dotted line. So two layers of Andrews pitchfork resistance, and then we have this horizontal support resistance level, and price just pushed up through that resistance like it didn't even exist. So anyway, that was a very bullish indication. Um, this price bar right here, I let me zoom in a little bit. Um, excuse me. This is a bullish doji candlestick. You might describe that as a hammer, which is considered a bullish indicator from a Japanese candlestick perspective. This long tail. So if we look at this particular candlestick, the fact that it has a long tail tells us that you know the bar, this price bar, opened up here, and sellers were able to push price all the way down to this lower price point. They were able to push price down through this support level or potential support level. But then buyers stepped in, they stepped into the arena, and they pushed price all the way back up through those multiple resistance layers and closed this price bar almost at the high of the day. And so that's a bullish price bar. And then, so price waffles kind of sideways for a while, a couple of trading days, gathers energy, and then we get this, bam, here's another bullish price bar. And so, anyway, that's what really just had to share that with somebody. Uh, you, this particular chart, there is value in identifying the previous price trend. And so in this case, this time frame, GDXJ, we had a downtrend, and that's what I'm showing with the pink channel, this price channel, the pink downtrending price channel. That was the previous price trend, and now price has transitioned into a bullish uptrend. And so sometimes having the transition from one phase to another, the downtrend to the uptrend, is helpful. It helps us clarify that that's really what's going on. Um, in my mind, it's very clear in this case that price has transitioned from a downtrend to an uptrend, and so anyway, I'm going to end it right here, folks. Have a fantastic week. Hope life is treating you well.